I'm Chris Dagus. I am actually a maintenance mechanic here at the Public Works facility. Basically what we do, if you want to come around, we change the influent from this is what comes into our plant with solids, of course, settled down at the bottom. This is primary settling, and this is our effluent that goes into the river. So you can see in the lab, we gauge from beginning to end what we're doing.
My name is Steve Below. I'm an operator 2. I'm filling in for the lab. That's part of my job, being an operator 2. And what we do right now is we're analyzing how much chlorine is in our water and the post and how much goes out to the river.
Frank here, I'm the assistant manager here at the facility. But not only do we take care of this facility here, we take care of over 200 miles of sewers located throughout the city. Some areas are in the woods, right-of-ways, and things of that nature. We also take care of 2 remote pump stations, one on the north end of town, which is over by Silver Lake, and we have another pump station down the south end of town, which is over by South Curtis.
From the main office building, we can cover 2/3 of this facility through underground tunnels. And inside of those tunnels is where a lot of the equipment is that our operators work on during the day. So down here, this is basically the heart of the facility. All these pumps you're seeing are basically what keep this plant alive and keep all the microbes alive. On top of the air they breathe, they need to circulate in and out of certain tanks where they either feed or they can rest. Steve is operating one of the pumps right now that helps adjust how many of those microbes go into a tank where they're resting versus if they're going into a tank to feed.
These are called our primary tanks. This is where all our raw sewage comes in. It comes into here, goes over the wares and baffles, and then it goes to an aeration tank.
Our pumping station. 80% of the city's raw sewage flows into underground tanks right on the other side of this wall to my right. And these pumps lined up here are what are taking all that raw sewage and pumping it from down here, pumping it to the highest point of my plant, so that everything by there controlled gravity-wise throughout the entire facility. There's always a minimum of one of these pumps running 24/7, 365, sometimes up to 3 of them. And these pumps will pump up to 8,000 gallons of water per minute. So basically I can fill it under my in-ground swimming pool in about 2.5 to 3 minutes with just one of these pumps.
Have you ever wanted to know where your toilet paper, your baby wipes go? Well, they come right here to our muffin monster every day, and we fill up this bucket, 1 bucket a day. So we'll take care of it all.